Because I feel like this hair in the front, she need to be baby more. She need a little bit more help. She's a little bit more finicky. Let me stop talking bad about her before she don't act right. It did turn out well though. The definition is nice. Welcome back, friends. Or if you're new here, just welcome. It's Lauren the Soap Witch, and it is time to style my hair. So I've already washed it and all that stuff. That video is posted ASMR style if you want to check it out. I added my leave-in stuff in the shower. So this one should actually be pretty quick because I don't really got much to do. I don't even care about fixing my part today. Usually I'll be lying, but I ain't doing it. It's good enough. I am just going to separate this. I left it as sopping wet as possible when I got out of the shower because I'm high porosity. We discuss this every week, but I'm trying to leave as much water and moisture and such in my hair as possible so that my hair will be in the state that I wanted to when it's time to add product. So it is pretty saturated. I'm not going to add any water to this. I am using my Custard today, Enchanted Concoction. It don't got a label. Why? I am trying a new fragrance, but it is not the fragrance I've been trying. Gonna talk to you while I do this. I have decided that I want a vanilla something in the hairline. And the vanilla that I currently have, it smells delicious and stuff, but it does not work with what I'm trying to say. The fragrance will not emulsify with liquid, only oil. So I had to, long story short, okay? I knew you cared. So I'm trying this one out because this one does. And so, of course, I put it in the Custard. I put it in the leave-in actually too, just to see. That's how much Custard I'm starting with. And I'm just gonna rub that on. I rubbed it in between my hands before I rubbed it on. If I did not mention that, because I rub all of my styling products, especially gels, in between my hands before I apply them, because I just feel like they distribute along my hair strands better. And that's all. And typically when I'm doing just a gel or Custard with some type of leave-in, I do it on sopping wet hair, because my hair likes that the best. It just gives me the best results, and I end up with less frizz and more definition, a little bit more Custard that I probably don't need, but you know I'm out of control and I'm gonna do it anyway. Yay me. I'm pressing it on to begin with and just doing a little Reiki rake as I go. I like to do rake and press. I just feel like that's the best of both worlds. The raking just helps me to find the curls nicely and separate them so they're not one big clump of curl, because that's not cute. And pressing it in just helps me to push the product into the hair better. Make sure I get those ends. I consider the Custard to be like a medium hold, and I think it's holding. What do you think? So I'm gonna take this clip right here and just clip this hair out of the way that I've already styled, and move on to the front that I don't need to add anything to. Look at that, because I've already saturated it with water and product, and I'm going in with some more Custard. So typically in the front, I tend to add more product than in the back because the porosity be porosity up here, and I've been needing more help, and that's really why. So I am going to just layer this on until I feel like I have enough. I do a rake and press in the front as well. I tend to do more pressing than raking though, because I feel like this hair in the front, she need to be baby more. She need a little bit more help. She's a little bit more finicky. Let me stop talking bad about her before she don't act right. All I'm saying is she just needs a little extra tender care, okay? So pressing and raking, making sure I get this stuff under here because I was too lazy to split it into a third section. We being lazy today. Do I want to add any more? Would it be overkill? Probably. I mean, probably on both counts. I probably want to add some more. It would probably be overkill. A little bit. You know, I cannot help myself. If I raise the question, I'm probably going to do it. And I really be trying to get this top part to stay down. But now I feel like, y'all, since I got that shower filter, that this hair has been less prone to breakage up here and has been doing better with not being a frizzy mess. Okay, I ain't putting no more on there. Control yourself. Control yourself. This side's looking good and smelling good. The fragrance that I am adding, I am calling it Vanilla Dreams, if it makes it. So far, it's looking good though. I'm gonna clip this hair out of the way in the back. I'm gonna finish this side and I'm gonna come back. Okay, well, this was quick. I'm gonna give you the full turnaround 360 so you can just see the wet results. We're doing things now. I'm gonna go sit up under the hooded dryer because y'all may or may not know I've gotten too lazy to diffuse it. So I'm feeling like holding my hands up and all that. Don't talk bad about me, I don't even care. So I'm gonna go sit under the hooded dryer, probably for longer than 30 minutes since my hair is so soft and wet. I'm gonna tell you how long I sat up under it, how long it actually took me to dry when I come back. Okay, y'all. So this never-ending wash day is coming to an end. It's not never-ending for y'all, but it is for me. So see, what had happened was, I was gonna come back and tell y'all how long I had sat under the dryer. I sat up under there the first time for 30 minutes, and I think my hair was like a 70% dry, maybe 75. Like a lot of this was dry down here, but I had a couple spots in here that was still damp and my roots were still wet. Then life was lifing. I don't know how 4 or 5 hours passed. I was like, oh, I'm supposed to finish doing a video. Here we are. Okay. I sat up under the dryer for 15 more minutes though because my roots were still feeling a little damp. They dry enough. Okay. So like usually what I like to do at this point is like scrunch my roots a little bit. I used to do this in like I would get your mouth. I used to just lift my roots with a pick. I just ain't been doing that. Ain't no real reason aside from I ain't done it. I ain't feel like doing it. I don't got no good reason. Did I already say that? So anyway, I'm not stretching my hair because I've just been in a place where I don't feel like it. I feel like it comes and goes. I feel like I can't go without it, then I don't feel like doing it. Guess where we are now. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna be enough because I don't feel like doing anything else. And I'm not gonna stretch it, but a part of me kind of wants to because it's doing this weird bendy wannabe strange thing over here on this side at the bottom, and I'm just not caring enough to still just give it a little tug with my fingers. I feel like when I sleep with it, it'll work itself out. If not, it will. So with that being said, I'm gonna just give you a quick turnaround, okay? 360, here we go. So you can see the back and how that turned out. I don't know what it looked like. It ain't my business. It did turn out well though. The definition is nice. I wanted to do something that was going to give me some extra moisture today, which is why I did the leave-in with the custard. I felt like I just needed extra moisture because I haven't really been doing it the last couple weeks. Now I'm rambling on. I'm trying to tell you I'm sorry. Final touch because you know what's coming. Okay, purple hat, purple top, right? That makes sense to me. Here we are. Gonna witchy it up. Little witch hat just makes everything better. So, here we go. That's where we at. Okay. So, I used new products. No, I did not. I used a test fragrance. That's what I did. I have had this custard in my line for a while, and I can't tell you when I introduced it. That doesn't matter. That's not why we're here. But I am trying it in what I'm thinking of calling the Vanilla Dreams fragrance, which I've become a fan of. I almost started rambling. Look at me hold myself back. Anyway, so I tried that out today. I think I'm liking it. I'm going to try it in some more stuff because I think I want to add it to the whole entire everything, body and hair. However, the fragrances that are currently available in the Enchanted Concoction Curl Custard are Tropical Fantasy, which is still my current favorite, Apple Aroma, Spearmint Eucalyptus, Lavender Peppermint, Lemon Pound Cake, Strawberry Patchouli. I don't think I said that already. And then I offer everything in unscented as well. Only the hair stuff. All the hair stuff in unscented. Link below for the whole collection of custards and all of its wonderful fragrances if you want to check those out. If you're interested in other products, I do also have a link for a bundle where if you're interested in buying multiple products, you could get some money off. So I also have a link below for my hair journal planner. It's digital. It's just a great tool and resource for if you are wanting to start a hair journey or take your current hair journey up to the next level, or however many levels you want to take it. So I got a link for that as well if you want to check that out. Okay, so let me just cut right in here. Just interrupt myself like I've been doing in the normal videos. Anyway, so I wanted to cut in because I don't know if y'all could tell, but I was kind of struggling to be feeling my hair on day one. And I don't know, it just wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. But I wanted to come in here and show day 3 hair because I feel like, I don't know how this hair came from that hair that you just saw, but I don't know. I liked it better day 2, and I really like it better day 3. It's like fluffier, still wonderfully defined, but like fuller. It was very rare for me to come back and just be like, hey, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you the back, which still ain't none of my business, but you know, it's your business now. I just wanted to throw that in there because I don't know. I was just, day 1 was like, man, but I'm like, I'm liking it better. I'm liking it better. Day 2, day 3, I was feeling better about myself. So, anywho, I interrupted myself before I could end the video, so I'm gonna just end the video. I done told you all the stuff that was down in the description below. It's still in the description below, so check that out if you're interested. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. If you like what you saw or got something out of it or were just entertained, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and give this video a like. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I intend to enjoy the rest of mine, and I will see you in the next one, friends. Bye.